Daily sentence practice day 4. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Jiva. Thank you, Jiva. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Rain. Thank you very much, Rain. Thank you for coming. Thank you for coming. Thank you for helping me. Thank you for helping me. Thank you for calling me. Thank you for calling me. Thank you for trusting me. Thank you for trusting me. Thank you for inviting me. Thank you for inviting me. Thank you for taking me to the airport. Thank you for taking me to the airport. Thank you for speaking with me. Thank you for speaking with me. Thank you for talking with me. Thank you for talking with me. Thank you for being me. Thank you for being me. Thank you for contacting me. Thank you for contacting me. Thank you for inviting us to the dinner. Thank you for inviting us to the dinner. Thank you for making me feel better. Thank you for Thank you for making me feel better. Thank you for making me feel better. Thank you for sending the reports. Thank you for sending the reports. Thank you for sending the reports. Thank you for everything. Thank you for everything. Thank you for your help. Thank you. Thank you for your help. Thank you for your help. Thank you for your advice. Thank you for your advice. Thank you for your feedback. Thank you for your feedback. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your understanding. Thank you for your understanding. Thank you for your reply. Thank you for your reply. Thank you for your email and photos. Thank you for your email and photos. Thank you for your kindness. Thank you for your kindness. Thank you for your feedback. Thank you for your feedback. Thank you for your hard work. Thank you for your hard work. Thank you for this wonderful dinner. Thank you for this wonderful dinner. Thank you very much for picking up. Thank you very much for picking me up. Thank you very much for picking me up. Thank you very much for your consideration. Thank you very much for your consideration. Thank you very much for your consideration. Thank you very much for your cooperation. Thank you very much for your cooperation. Thank you very much for your Thank you very much for the explanation. Thank you very much for the explanation. Thank you so much for all your help. Thank you. Thank you so much for all your help. Thank you so much for all your help. We can't thank you enough. We can't thank you enough. No, thank you. No, thank you. Yes, thank you. Yes, thank you. Thanks. Thanks. Thanks, Jiva. Thanks, Jiva. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Thanks a million. Thanks a million. Thanks again. Thanks again. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Thanks loving me. Thanks loving me. Thanks loving me. Thanks marrying me. Thanks marrying me. Thanks for saving me. Thanks for saving me. Thanks for reminding me. Thanks for reminding me. Thanks for taking care of me. Thanks for taking care of me. Thanks for choosing us. Thanks for choosing us. Thanks for visiting my parents. Thanks for visiting my parents. Thanks for sharing me. Thanks for sharing my videos. Thanks for sharing my videos. Thanks for waiting for us. Thanks for waiting for us. Thanks for joining the 14. Thanks for joining the 14. Thanks for lending me a pen. Thanks for lending me a pen. Thanks for connecting with me. Thanks for connecting with me. Thanks for replying my email. Thanks for replying my email. Thanks for replying my email. Thanks for considering my request. Thanks for considering my request. Thanks for considering my request. Thanks for giving us your time. Thanks for giving us your time. Thanks for making good questions. Thanks for making good questions. Thanks for the delicious dinner. Thanks for the delicious dinner. Thanks for everything you have done. Thanks for everything you have done. Thanks for all your assistance. Thanks for all your assistance. Thanks for all your comments. Thanks for your all commands. Thanks for all your order. Thanks for your order. Thanks for your kind words. Thanks for your kind words. Thanks for these remarks. Thanks for these remarks. Thanks for these remarks. Thanks for the updates. Thanks for the updates. Thanks for the updates. Thanks for always being there for me. Thanks for always being there for me. Thanks for the birthday present. Thanks for the birthday present. Thanks for the birthday present. Thanks for what you have done for me. Thanks for what you have done for me. Many thanks. Many thanks. Many thanks to your help. Many thanks to your help. Thanks so much. Thanks so much. I want to say thanks for supporting me. I want to say thanks for supporting me. No thanks. No thanks. Yes, thanks. Yes, thanks. Thank you. Thank you guys. If you like my videos, please supporting our channel and then subscribe our channel, share with your friends. Thank you. Bye bye. See you all. See you later.